Hello, Pinoys. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening there to all Pinoys. And today, we will make our own growing media. It consists all of these components, namely garden soil, compost, rice hull, and lastly, leaf sand. These are the components we need to make our own growing media. So let's start making it, Pinoys. Firstly, we need a seed box, of course, measuring 1 by 1 square meter and make holes in it so that it will have a drainage for the water to flow that will prevent flooding to our seed box. After preparing our seed box, let's start finding the growing media's components. Firstly, garden soil. As you know, garden soil is located 4 inches under from our topsoil. And it can be seen anywhere, your backyard or front yard, and etc. You may ask, why prefer garden soil than topsoil? Is because garden soil is topsoil enriched with compost and organic matter to make it better suited to actual plant growth. This is the garden soil we get from that lot, and it measures 1 sack of cement. Time to put it in our seed box and proceed in getting the other elements. The next we need to get is the compost. Compost is an organic material that can be added to our soil to help plants grow. If we don't have a compost made of plant and food waste or recycling organic materials, we can replace it using animal manure. A manure is an organic matter that is used as organic fertilizer in agriculture. But before we place this animal manure to our seed box, we need to break this first into pieces. And after how many minutes of breaking this into pieces, this is the result. They are very loose and soil-like compost. Let's put this in our seed box, shall we? Next we need to get is the rice hull, mga Pinoys. It can be acquired to any rice mill present in your area. The importance of this is to make your clay soil porous because of its loose composition and improves soil structure by increasing bulk density, water holding capacity, and aeration. The last and foremost component that we need for our growing media is the sieve sand. We can use sand sieve, a tool for sifting sand or other particles in order to sort the particles according to size. It is important because it makes our growing media loose, prevent it from getting sticky when it has too much water, and getting hard and dry when it gets exposed too much under the sun. Now that we have all the components, it's time to mix them up. Mga Pinoys, I added a half sack of cement each of the components to make our seed box full. Growing media consists of mixtures of components that provide water, air, nutrients, and support the plant. The media provide plant support while the nutrients are provided by added fertilizers. Time to sterilize it with boiling water. Just pour the boiling water to your growing media and you're good to go. Maybe you'll ask, why do I need to sterilize my growing media? It is for prevention. Growing media is often sterilized to prevent disease-causing microbes from growing in the media during shipping or storage. Water and fertilizer expose the media to even more microbes, especially if you are using well water that is not sterilized. Now, you can start planting it with different kind of plants. Thank you for watching.